Introduction to Virtual Reality Training. Virtual reality has become increasingly popular in the field of training and education. With its immersive and interactive nature, virtual reality training can provide a realistic and safe environment for learners to practice and improve their skills. In this tutorial, we will explore the equipment and software used in virtual reality training. The key component of a virtual reality setup is the VR headset. These headsets are strapped onto the user's head and feature high-resolution displays and motion sensors to track the user's head movements. There are several types of VR headsets available in the market, including tethered standalone and mobile VR headsets. Tethered VR headsets require a connection to a computer or gaming console to function. Examples include Oculus Rift, HTC Vive, and PlayStation VR. Standalone effect headsets do not require any external devices and are self-contained. They have built-in displays and processing power. Some popular standalone headsets are Oculus Quest and HTC Vive Focus Plus. Mobile VR headsets use a smartphone as the display and processing unit. Users need to insert their smartphones into the headset. Examples include Samsung Gear VR and Google Cardboard. In addition to the VR headset, controllers are used to interact with the virtual environment. These controllers are designed to mimic the user's hand movements and provide a more immersive experience. The type of controllers may vary depending on the VR headset. For example, Oculus Rift uses Oculus Touch controllers while HTC Vive uses Vive controllers. Some standalone headsets have integrated hand tracking, eliminating the need for separate controllers. To accurately track the user's movements in the virtual environment, VR systems use various tracking technologies. These tracking systems ensure that the virtual objects respond to the user's actions in real time. The two main types of tracking systems are inside-out tracking. This technology uses cameras and sensors on the VR headset to track the user's movements. It is typically used in standalone and mobile VR headsets. Outside-in tracking. This method utilizes external sensors placed in the room to track the user's position and movements. Tethered VR headsets like Oculus Rift and HTC Vive use external sensors or base stations for precise tracking. Virtual reality software plays a crucial role in creating and running VR training simulations. There are various software platforms available for developing VR content. Some popular VR software tools include Unity. Unity is a widely used game engine that supports VR development. It offers a user-friendly interface and a range of features for building interactive VR training simulations. Unreal Engine. Unreal Engine is another powerful game engine commonly used for VR development. It provides advanced graphics capabilities and a visual scripting system for creating immersive VR experiences. Blender. Blender is an open-source 3D modeling and animation software that can be used to create VR content. It offers a wide range of tools for modeling, texturing, and animating virtual objects. Creating VR training simulations involves several steps, including content design, 3D modeling, scripting, and testing. The workflow typically involves designing the training objectives and determining the learning outcomes, creating or obtaining 3D models, textures, and sound effects for the virtual environment, using the VR software to import the assets, set up the interactions, and script the behavior of the virtual objects, testing the VR simulation for functionality and realism, making necessary adjustments and improvements. In conclusion, virtual reality training utilizes specialized equipment like VR headsets, controllers, tracking systems, and software to create realistic and immersive learning experiences. By providing an interactive environment, virtual reality training can enhance the effectiveness of training programs in various fields.